Okay. So, yeah. So, what is your next doll? Which is kind of personal, but whatever. My next doll is Emily. Now for the next question that is personal. And this is the very last personal question and the last question of all time. What is your name?